Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 11.2 question number 5. The diagonals of a rhombus are 7.5 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Find its area. Let us find the area. We know that we know that area of a rhombus area of a rhombus area of a rhombus is equal to half 1 by 2 into product of its diagonals into product of its diagonals product of its diagonals right, that is equal to 1 by 2 into AC product of its diagonal. One diagonal is for 7.5 centimeter, that is 1 by 2 into 1.5 into 12 centimeter square. 22 to 6 is 12 to 6 is 12. If we multiply 7.5 with 6, then we are getting 6 5 is 30, 3 it is 0, 6 on 42 plus 3 is 45. Therefore we are getting 45 centimeter square, 45 centimeter square. This is the answer of the rhombus, area of the rhombus. Again we are repeating. Here you see, we know that area of a rhombus equal half into product of its diagonals. The diagonals are given as 7.5 centimeter and 12 centimeter. That is 1 by 2 into 7.5 into 12. 22 to 6 is 12. If you multiply 7.5 with 6, 6 for 33, it is 0. 6 is 42 plus 3 is 45. Point is here. Therefore, area of this rhombus is 45 centimeter square. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.